Welcome to the channel, viewers. What if I told you that you don't need dozens of stocks, complicated strategies, or constant trading to build serious wealth? In fact, with just 3 ETFs, you could create a portfolio that grows aggressively, pays you income, and compounds into something life-changing over time. Today, we're breaking down one of the most powerful simple portfolios for 2026, QQQ, VTI, and SCHD. This is a strategy designed for growth, stability, income, and most importantly, long-term wealth creation. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how each ETF works, why this combination is so powerful, the best way to allocate your money, and how this portfolio could potentially make you very rich over time. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with this, and remember to comment and share. Let's get into it. Before we even talk about the ETFs, let's address something important. Most investors lose money not because they pick bad investments, but because they overcomplicate everything. They chase trends. They buy high and sell low. They constantly switch strategies. Meanwhile, the wealthiest investors in the world focus on consistency, diversification, long-term compounding. That's exactly what this 3 ETF portfolio is designed to do. It removes the noise and focuses on what actually works. ETF number 1, QQQ, Growth Engine. Let's start with the first piece of this portfolio, QQQ, your growth engine. QQQ tracks the Nasdaq 100, which includes some of the most innovative and fastest growing companies in the world. We're talking about companies in technology, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, consumer innovation. These are the businesses shaping the future. Historically, QQQ has delivered strong long-term returns because it focuses on growth. But here's the trade-off: higher returns, higher volatility. This ETF will go up fast, and sometimes fall fast too. That's why you don't rely on it alone. But in a portfolio like this, QQQ provides the acceleration. ETF number 2, VTI, Total Market Foundation. Next, we have VTI, the backbone of your portfolio. VTI gives you exposure to the entire US stock market. Large cap companies, mid cap companies, small cap companies. It's one of the most diversified ETFs you can own. Instead of betting on specific sectors, you're betting on the entire economy. Why does this matter? Because over time, the market as a whole tends to grow. VTI provides stability, broad diversification, consistent long-term returns. If QQQ is your sports car, VTI is your reliable engine that keeps everything running smoothly. ETF number 3, SCHD, Income plus Dividend Growth. Now, let's talk about the third ETF, SCHD, the income powerhouse. SCHD focuses on high-quality companies that pay dividends, grow those dividends over time, have strong financial health. This ETF gives you something most growth portfolios lack: cash flow. With SCHD, you're getting paid regularly, even when the market is down. But here's the real magic: dividend growth. Over time, those payments can increase significantly, creating passive income, financial stability, reinvestment opportunities. SCHD also tends to be less volatile than growth ETFs, which helps balance the portfolio. Why this combination works? Now let's bring it all together. Why do these 3 ETFs work so well together? Because they each serve a different role. QQQ right pointing arrow growth VTI right pointing arrow stability plus diversification SCHD right pointing arrow income plus consistency. This creates a portfolio that can grow aggressively in bull markets, stay resilient during downturns, generate income along the way. You're not relying on one strategy. You're combining growth, value, and income into one simple system. Ideal portfolio allocation. Now the big question: how should you allocate your money? Here are 3 popular strategies depending on your goals. Option 1: aggressive growth 50% QQQ, 30% VTI, 20% SCHD, best for younger investors who want maximum growth. Option 2: balanced portfolio 33% QQQ, 34% VTI, 33% SCHD, a perfect mix of growth, stability, and income. Option 3: income focused 20% QQQ, 30% VTI, 50% SCHD, ideal for those who want strong dividend income. There's no perfect allocation. The best portfolio is the one you can stick with long term. The power of compounding. Now let's talk about what really makes this portfolio powerful: compounding. If you consistently invest, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and reinvest your dividends, your portfolio doesn't just grow, it snowballs. Over 10, 20, or 30 years, this can turn thousands into hundreds of thousands into millions. The key is time in the market, not timing the market. Mistakes to avoid. Even with a great portfolio, mistakes can ruin your results. Here are the big ones. 1. Panic selling during market crashes. Markets will drop. That's normal. Stay invested. 2. Chasing hype stocks. Stick to your strategy. This portfolio already includes top companies. 3. Not reinvesting dividends. This slows down compounding dramatically. 4. Being inconsistent. Wealth is built through discipline, not luck. How this can make you very rich. Let's be real. This isn't a get-rich-quick strategy. This is a get-rich-for-sure with time strategy. If you invest consistently, stay disciplined, hold long-term, this portfolio gives you exposure to the fastest-growing companies, the entire market, reliable income streams. That combination is incredibly powerful. So here's the takeaway: you don't need complexity to build wealth. With just QQQVTISCHD, you can create a portfolio that is simple, powerful, proven. The real question is, will you stay consistent long enough to let it work? This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the potential loss of principal. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more investing content, and comment below, what's your ETF strategy for 2026? And remember, the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow.